One decision. No press conference. No long explanation. Just a quiet NO from the highest court in America. And suddenly, Donald Trump's last line of defense is gone. No delay. No shield. No escape route. And now the question shaking Washington is simple. Are the next 48 hours about to change history forever? For months, Trump's legal strategy relied on one final hope. If the Supreme Court steps in, everything pauses. That hope is now dead. Late in the day, without drama, without dissent, the Supreme Court refused to intervene. This wasn't just a legal decision. This was the closing of a door, loudly, finally, permanently. Let's be clear about what just happened. Trump's team asked the Supreme Court to block or delay the ongoing criminal process tied to Jack Smith's investigations. They argued presidential immunity. They argued executive authority. They argued precedent. The court wasn't persuaded. By saying NO, the Supreme Court effectively told lower courts and prosecutors, proceed. Immediately. No more delays. No more legal fog. No more ambiguity. And in the world of federal prosecutions, that changes everything. This rejection triggers a legal chain reaction. Jack Smith, the special counsel who has quietly built case after case, now has the green light to move forward at full speed. Subpoenas, active. Court deadlines, reactivated. Enforcement actions, now legally clear. This is why insiders are whispering about a 48-hour window. Not because an arrest is guaranteed, but because nothing is stopping it anymore. For the first time, Trump is exposed, completely. Jack Smith doesn't leak. He doesn't posture. He doesn't talk to cameras. He moves in silence and strikes with precision. Sources close to the investigation say this moment was expected, prepared for, planned around. Every filing, every sealed document, every witness statement has been waiting for this exact outcome. The Supreme Court didn't just reject Trump's request, it activated Smith's endgame. And that's what makes this moment so explosive. Never before has a former U.S. South president stood this close to real-time criminal enforcement with zero constitutional cover. No immunity ruling. No special delay. No political shield. This isn't about elections anymore. This isn't about rallies or polls. This is about criminal procedure, and it moves fast. Once momentum starts, it doesn't care who you are. Behind the scenes, panic is spreading. Allies are scrambling. Lawyers are recalculating. Donors are going silent. Because if enforcement actions begin now, the entire political landscape shifts overnight. Campaign strategy collapses. Messaging breaks down. And the persecution narrative runs into one brutal obstacle: courtroom reality. The next 48 hours matter, not because of speculation, but because of legal mechanics. When courts resume, when prosecutors file, when enforcement decisions are finalized, it could be nothing. It could be something procedural. Or it could be the moment history books are written. No leaks, no warnings, just action. Trump's last hope wasn't defeated by voters. It wasn't defeated by rivals. It wasn't defeated by the media. It was defeated by silence and a Supreme Court that refused to step in. Now the system moves forward, untouched, unstoppable. And whatever happens next, America is about to witness something it has never seen before.